The fundamental issue here is the public elect their TDs. I think all TDs, irrespective of whether they're government or opposition, are entitled to a platform, are entitled to ask questions. I think there's been a lot of discussion about this now over the last 2 months. I think the proposals are balanced, they're modest. I mean, you're looking at the opposition are losing no time at all on this. Some opposition parties will gain more time, actually, and it seems to me that there needs to be some rebalancing and enabling backbench TDs to at least get an opportunity. It'll be every couple of months they'll get that opportunity. If you 53, 55 Fine Gael backbenchers, you have some independence. So it's not as if the same person will be up every week, So it's much less of an opportunity than, for example, the opposition parties will get. And that's fair enough, because government is there to be held to account. Government will be held to account by the opposition. And if you look at other parliaments in Europe, the Irish government is in the Dail more, and the Taoiseach of the Dail is, the given Taoiseach of today is in the Dail more than any other Prime Minister in Europe by a long shot. And that will continue.